How to change template on Squarespace. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to change your site template using Squarespace. So let's get into it. First of all, what you can do is you can go to squarespace.com and you will have to log in. Once you log in, this is where you will get. Now you have to select the website that you have already created, or you can create a new website as well. Once you click on create a new website, it will take you right here to squarespace.com/templates. And from here, we can choose from thousands of different templates available on Squarespace for different niches. You can first select what kind of website you want to create. We have online store, portfolio, blog, and more. Then you can select your topic, if it's a fashion, photography, art and design, health and beauty, travel, a home and decor, or technology website. So these are all the different templates available, and you just select the templates you want to go for, and then you can click on start with this template. This is how you choose a template on Squarespace. Once the template is, selected, then you cannot completely, you're working on the website now and you want to change it again. For that, you will have to go to designs and you will change the design of your template completely. But you cannot change a new template like in the middle of a website that you're creating. Otherwise, you will have to create it again, like everything. But what you can do is you can, of course, customize your template that you have, because we have a lot of different options to customize a template and make it completely ours. So that is how we change our templates. Or you can select a brand new template from squarespace.com/templates. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.